When you open your shop, it won't take long until the first orders come in. Then you will be busy sending all the packages to your customers. Luckily, your shop makes this as easy for you as possible. There are already connections to the most relevant delivery companies. They just need to be activated and bring several advantages. Delivery companies enable you to conveniently print shipping labels. Also, your customers can track the status of their orders in real time. No more waiting in vain for a package. Going to the post office to send out all your orders can be quite a hassle. If you work with a delivery company, it is often possible to have the packages picked up at your shop or from your storage. Always put yourself in the shoes of your customers and offer them as much comfort as possible. Some already have preferred delivery companies, for example, because they offer the exact time of delivery or also deliver to parcel boxes. That's why you should offer different delivery methods that your customers can choose from. There are two ways for you to set up delivery options. You can use a shipping app, or you can create your own delivery methods if you wish, using a direct integration with a delivery company. An app works as a connection between your shop and delivery companies. Instead of committing yourself to certain companies, the app always gives you the best deals. This way, you can save money and start right away without signing any contracts with delivery companies. After setting up the app, all orders that arrive in your shop are transferred to the app provider. You can then manage everything concerning delivery on the provider's website. This includes printing shipping labels. To install a shipping app, visit the App Store in your shop's administration area. Choose the category Shipping. Select an app to get more information about it and install it. Now I'll show you how you can create a delivery method that your customers can select in the order process. The method could be set up for use with an app, for direct connection with a delivery company, or for handling delivery yourself. In the administration area in the main menu, select Settings, and then Delivery. In the table, you can see all delivery methods that are already set up. Let's add a new one. If you'd like to connect this delivery method directly to a delivery company, then select that company under Logistics Vendors. If you installed an app or don't want to connect this method to a delivery company, select User-Defined Delivery Method. One of the main aspects to consider are the costs of delivery that you will charge your customers. The costs for you as a merchant depend on several factors. For example, the actual cost of delivery that you have to pay to the delivery company, the packaging material, and the time you are investing for packing and sending out the orders. The delivery fee you charge your customers should be easy to understand and as low as possible. Instead of charging different shipping fees for each product, it's often a good idea to calculate an average cost and then have a fixed price for each order. You can also define an exemption limit. This means that delivery is free when a specific order amount has been reached. An example: delivery costs $5.90 unless the order value is higher than €100. Then it's free. By doing this, you motivate your customers to buy more. It's also possible to offer free delivery in general. This is especially appropriate when you are selling products that are not very price competitive or that are not available anywhere else. You might need to set the product prices a bit higher to cover the delivery costs. Now you can choose how the delivery costs should be calculated. If you've chosen a delivery company before, there may be different options available here. Enter a name for the new delivery method that will be displayed to your customers in the checkout. If you have installed an app, you can name the method, for instance, Standard Delivery, or you name it after one of the delivery companies that is included in the app. When a customer chooses this delivery method, you can send the package through that company. Did you choose before that you'd like to use the direct services of a delivery company for this method? Then you need to complete the setup now. In this case, you can see detailed descriptions of the next steps that you should follow. Often, these steps include getting an account for this delivery company and signing a contract with them. Please be aware that it might take a few days until this process is completed. When this is taken care of, you can now adjust further settings for the delivery costs. If you chose free delivery before, this step is not necessary. In our example, we chose the type exemption limit. Let's define the standard delivery price for this method, and that delivery should be free when the order exceeds 100 euros. On the page General, you can now define the basic settings. Depending on the method, you might have, for instance, the following options. Under Visible in Shop, select whether the delivery method should be available to your customers already. This option should be set to No until the method has been fully set up. Please don't forget to make it visible later on. You can determine if this method should be the default selection for your customers. It is also possible to restrict its use by allowing it only for certain products or making it available only for a certain region. The description will be shown to your customers in the checkout. Save the changes to complete the setup of the delivery method. We advise you to place a test order to make sure that everything works as you wish. Last but not least, I have 3 tips for you on how to inform your customers about the available delivery options. Number 1. In your shop, there is, by default, a page for delivery information. A link to it can be found in your shop's footer. Use this page to explain to your customers everything they should know about delivery. To modify this page, select in the administration area in the main menu, Editor. On the left side, under Pages, you can find the page at the bottom. Select it to edit the text. Number 2. You can show logos of delivery methods in your shop's footer. In the editor, select the gears icon at the bottom. Select the truck icon and choose the methods that should be displayed. And number 3. You can display the biggest advantages of your shop in the header. If you'd like to add a short text about delivery there, select the gears icon and then the megaphone icon. You're done. If you took care of all the settings and set the new delivery method to visible, your customers can now select it in the checkout.